tell from the scars on my arms and the cracks in my hips and the dents in my car.